Here is the before picture of the big maple behind our shed we're going to take down today. There's the cruise chipper and dump truck set up. We'll have to go up, haul everything up through there. We'll miss that from our skyline and all the leaves dropped on the ground. Pretty big tree. Here's another view of the tree that's coming down today. The old maples that we've been concerned about since the day we moved here. And spent many hours raking its leaves. Here's another view of the big maple we're taking down today. Before. And you can see it kind of hangs right down over our shed. So maybe in the future we'll take that other one in the background there too, because it drops a lot of leaves. You guys are just getting set up here. There's Cindy looking at it. Got their saws out, chipper, and well, the wheelbarrow looks pretty cool. Is it recording? Yeah. Nothing. So he's cutting the first branches off, and there's gusty winds. That's okay.